When it comes to creating hearty, flavorful casseroles, having the right cookware can make all the difference. The best casserole dishes are designed to evenly distribute heat, retain moisture, and deliver perfect results, whether you're whipping up a comforting lasagna, a creamy baked mac and cheese, or a savory pot roast. To help elevate your kitchen experience, we've rounded up the top 5 casserole cookware options. Number 5. Large 9" by 13" cast iron casserole, black. About this item, 9 by 13 ANCH cast iron casserole. High sidewalls keep everything contained when you cook big dishes for your crowd. Consistent baking and browning. Get edge-to-edge even heat for bakery quality results at home. Seasoned and ready to use. Every piece of bakeware is seasoned with 100% vegetable oil and ready to use right out of the box. Heirloom quality. Cast iron bakeware won't dent, bend, or warp, so you can keep it in the family for years to come. Made in the USA. Since 1896, Lodge has manufactured cast iron cookware in South Pittsburgh, Tennessee. Number 4. Lodge 3.6 Quart Enameled cast iron oval casserole with lid or dual handles. Oven safe up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit or on stovetop. Used to marinate, cook, bake, refrigerate and serve. Oyster white. About this item, your GOTO covered casserole, a flawless pairing of form and function that doesn't quit. The Lodge covered oval casserole not only makes your kitchen look good but is an enameled cast iron classic great for preparing and serving memorable meals. Broil, braise. Bake or roast your favorite meals in the oven up to 500 degree F. What is porcelain enamel on cast iron? It is glass that becomes bonded to the cast iron at high temperatures. A particulative glass, called frit, is applied to the cast iron vessel and then baked at temperatures between 1200 and 1400 degrees Fahrenheit. The glass frit melts and fuses to the cast iron, forming a bond. Porcelain enamel on cast iron is heat tolerant and impervious to water and other consumables. Easy to cook and clean. The porcelain enameled interior has a smooth finish that minimizes sticking, promotes caramelization and resists staining. Although enameled cast iron is dishwasher safe, hand washing with warm soapy water and a nylon scrub brush is recommended to keep your casserole in tip-top shape. Heat retention. The cast iron vessel has superior heat distribution and retention, evenly heating throughout both the bottom and sidewalls. The tightly fitting lid seals in moisture for scrumptious pot roast, stews or a large batch of beans. Our heat retention also reduces the amount of energy needed for cooking. Family-owned, Lodge is more than just a business, it's a family. The Lodge family founded the company in 1896, and they still own it today. From environmental responsibility to community development, their heads and hearts are rooted in America. Products made with non-toxic, PFOA/PTFE-free material. Number 3. Pyrex Deep 5.2 QT, 9" by 13", 2-in-1 glass baking dish with glass lid, extra large rectangular baking pan for casserole, lasagna, dishwasher, freezer, microwave and preheated oven safe. About this item, Deep 5.2 QT, at 9 by 13" and 3" depth, big baking dish. This 5.2 quarts capacity deep baking dish is 50% deeper compared to standard Pyrex 9 by 13 baking dish to fit more layers for recipes that require more space and avoids overflow during baking. Perfect for lasagna and casserole dishes. 2-in-1 glass lid. This versatile 2-in-1 set pairs a deep 9 by 13 baking dish with a glass lid, 1.7" depth, that can be flipped over to serve as a shallow baking dish. The shallow baking dish is ideal for lemon bars, brownies, tarts, and quiches. Together, they deliver the ultimate in baking performance. Tempered glass. The tempered Pyrex glass can go directly from room temperature into a preheated oven, heats evenly for consistent results, and resists stains and does not absorb food odors. Durable. This baking dish set is entirely dishwasher, freezer, microwave, and preheated oven safe. Pyrex is the #1 brand of glass bakeware, loved for generations. Experienced cooks and beginners alike have reached for Pyrex brand glassware products because they're affordable, durable, and great for all their cooking, serving, and storing needs. Source: the NPD Group/Retail Tracking Service, dollars and units, 12 May December 2022. Number 2. MALACASA Casserole Dishes for Oven. Porcelain baking dishes, ceramic bakeware sets of 4, rectangular lasagna pans deep with handles for baking. Cake Kitchen, white, 9.4 inch/11.1/12.2/14.7 series. About this item, MAD of durable porcelain, a type of premium lead-free and NO-toxic ceramic that is anti-chip, scratch-resistant, bright surface, and easy to clean and maintain, longer service life. Safe for dishwashers, refrigerators, microwaves, and ovens. Get the most out of your investment with our MALACASA casserole dishes, for sizes to meet all needs, including handle size, 14.7 inch LX 8.4 WX 2.5 H, 3 QD 12.2 LX 7.1 WX 2.4 H, 2 QD 11.1 LX 6.5 WX 2.2 H, 1.5 QD 9.4 LX 5.2 WX 2 H, 0.8 QD. This oven bakeware set can meet all your needs in the kitchen, from individual servings to large family meals. You can effortlessly find the perfect size. ESYTO clean giftable interior and exterior glaze protect baking pans against stains, making them easy to clean by dishwasher or hand. This ceramic bakeware set is perfect as a gift for your friends and family on housewarming, birthday, wedding parties, Mother's Day, Father's Day, Christmas, and New Year's Day. 1 2-month warranty customer service. Your purchase is guaranteed by our 12-month warranty against manufacturer defects. Number 1. DOWAN Casserole Dish, 9x13 ceramic baking dish, large lasagna pan deep for oven, 4.2 quarts baking pan with handles, oven safe and durable bakeware for lasagna, wedding gift, white. About this item, meet your daily needs. DOWAN larger and deeper ceramic baking dish measures 15.6 inch LX 9.3 WX 3.1 H, including handle size, -135 oz, sized perfectly for cooking lasagna, casseroles, chicken, roast, bread, pasta, beef, and more. Whether you're cooking a family dinner or serving food, this versatile casserole dish has got you covered. Durable and safe, made from lead-free and pro-grade ceramic, this 4.2 quarts extra-large casserole dish is designed for safe use and durability. It can withstand high temperatures without cracking or breaking, and it is safe to use in dishwashers, refrigerators, microwaves, and ovens up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit per 260 degrees Celsius. Easy to hold, with its double-handled design. The 9x13 rectangular baking dish is easy to carry from the oven or freezer to the table. Deep enough to hold everything with no overflow, and you'll love how comfortable it is to hold, even when it's full of piping hot food. Classic design, smooth glaze, ceramic white well-made lasagna pan boasts a timeless design that will never go out of style. The smooth glaze is easy to clean. It's also a charming addition to your kitchen and dining table and is sure to impress your guests. The best bakeware. This versatile dish is the perfect gift choice for weddings, housewarming, birthdays.